Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a study abroad packing list with REI detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by determining your destination and the duration of your stay. Research the climate and local culture to understand what clothing is appropriate. Make a list of essential documents such as your passport, visa, and student ID. Include any necessary health documents, like vaccination records or medications. Create a separate category for electronics, noting items such as a laptop, phone, and chargers. Consider whether your electronics require adapters or converters for the local outlets. Next, focus on clothing essentials. Select versatile layers that can be mixed and matched for different outfits. Include a waterproof jacket if your destination has unpredictable weather. Pack comfortable shoes suitable for walking and exploring. Add personal items such as toiletries and any favorite comfort items from home. Use packing cubes to organize your items efficiently. Consider the weight and size limits for your luggage to avoid excess fees. Use REI's packing resources to help prioritize outdoor gear if you're traveling for adventures. Check if you need specialized equipment like hiking boots or a sleeping bag. Review your list to ensure you haven't overlooked any essentials. If you're going to be abroad for an extended period, think about laundry options so you can pack less. Set aside a small bag for essentials you'll need during your travel days. Finally, double-check that you have all required documents and travel confirmations ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.